Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how to fix the server full issue when your friends want to join and play with you, but they can't because the server is full. Now, the reason for this issue is if you are on a server and your friends can't join because it's full, unfortunately, it is full actually. So they can't really join and you cannot really do anything about it. Basically, the server is at its full capacity and cannot handle any more players. However, this is not really a big issue and you can easily wait for a few minutes as there are a lot of people playing at the same time. Many of them are gonna leave soon and your friends can simply enter the waiting queue. Even if the queue shows that it will take a long time to join, don't worry. It won't take as long as it is shown on the screen. Your friends can easily join in like 5 minutes or so. Maybe sometimes it can go up to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but most of the time you can easily enter the game within 5 minutes. Just make sure you do not leave the waiting queue. So that's it for today's video. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.